Transfer PEPE from bitget to Binance on PC. How to transfer PEPE from bitget to Binance on PC? It's easy and simple. The first one, make sure you are logged into your bitget account. Now head over to wallet icon. Now click on assets overview. From the sidebar, click on spot. And now click on withdrawal. Now from here, search for the PEPE token. Like this. Now select it. Now here select on-chain and select the network as Ethereum ERC20. Now from the withdrawal address, we need to get it from Binance. Now go to Binance, make sure you are logged into your account. Now click on deposit. Now from here, click on deposit crypto. Now as you can see here, search for PEPE. After you find it, click on it. Now make sure to select the network as the Ethereum as you selected on bitget. Now as you can see, this is our withdrawal address, and copy it, go back to bitget, paste it here. Now click on next. And as you can see, enter how much you want to send. So because I don't have any PEPE, I can't be able to, if you click withdraw, they show me this insufficient balance. Now after you click on withdraw, they will redirect you to complete the buy process. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.